Gamification has been proven to increase learning retention and engagement in a number of different activities. And it does the same thing within the Savvygoat platform. So where project check-in might be kind of boring or routine, now students have to really think about, okay, how many lives do I have left, or where am I in the mountain compared to other teams? And I think that just puts that real world pressure, which, in a normal class setting just might not be there otherwise. And so that replication of the real world in the academic space is priceless.
I think gamification brings an element of competition and an element also of being able to see your progress in real time and get that dopamine rush as you're doing that. That competitive aspect, in terms of competing against other teams, in terms of moving up the mountain, is often something that can drive students to far greater performance. And let's be honest, in the real world, entrepreneurs have to be first to market, or they have to be better than their competition. Things are competitive. I think what Savvygoat does is give people a sense, or students at least, a sense that they're in a competitive environment, and it then pushes them to really achieve and to really learn and to really progress in terms of a process that they're following, or in terms of a task that they might be doing within a class.
So, as an expert in gamification myself, it's something that I spend a lot of time on trying to figure out what gamification is and where it can be used. And I think the exciting gamification element that I see from Savvygoat is that it's gamifying a process instead of just creating games here and there. It's actually gamifying an entire process, and it's a complex process. And I think the main benefits that we see here are that the teams of students who are essentially strangers, because of the layer of a game and the gamification, come together much faster than they would come together on a traditional process or traditional way. So that's definitely a benefit of team cohesion in a faster time scale. But I think the other added benefit is the ability to sort of get rewarded based on things you do, and you can see the consequences of your actions. And since you're always fighting against time, as we mentioned, that's also another big benefit. And I think gamification helps there on how to manage your time better as a team.